Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Food and Fun, and I'm back again with the new recipe steamed salmon or Bhapa salmon. It is again a Bengali version of cooking salmon. Let's begin with the ingredients. We'll begin with mustard seeds. I have taken white mustard seed and soaked it for half an hour so that it comes into fine paste. Next we have zira, cumin seeds, few set green chilies and coriander leaves for garnishing. Coconut milk, you will require 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, salt to taste, yogurt, this is optional. Next we have turmeric, red chili powder and sugar, that is also optional. If you like a little bit of tangy flavor, then you can add sugar to it. And last but not the least is my salmon. So there are 2 pieces of salmon, and let's begin cooking. This is actually going to take you not more than 20 minutes, and we are going to prepare this recipe in microwave. So let's begin with the cooking. So first what we'll do is put the mustard into your grinder. Next we have our cumin seeds. And 1 green chili slit. The rest we are not going to put. We are not going to make a paste of the rest of the chilies. Just we'll put 1 green chili into it. Next we have is half tablespoon. Next we have put half tablespoon of yogurt. Make it into a fine paste. Okay, after your paste is ready, we'll begin with the process. It's very simple. Just pour your mustard paste and the cumin paste and the bit of yogurt you have added into a microwave dish. Then put in the coconut milk. Not much, just 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. That's it. Next we have turmeric and red chili powder. Salt to taste. Little bit of sugar, just a pinch of sugar, and mix it well. One thing I had forgot to mention, which is mustard oil. This is also a very important ingredient. If you do not have mustard oil, then try to use some other oil, but olive oil or something like that, but you need oil into it. Mustard oil would be preferable. I'll put mustard oil nicely. So now it's the time to put the green chilies into it. Take a spoon, put the spices, coat it nicely, coat it. That's how it's supposed to be. So after the fish is all nicely covered with the mustard and the cumin sauce, we are supposed to cover it up with the lid. Try to use the cover which is having an open place for the steam to come out. If you do not have a lid, something like this, then you're supposed to use a food wrapper, the food wrapping cling, that would be good. Now let's take it to the microwave. Our fish is inside the microwave. The lid is open so the steam can come out easily. And let's close the door. Set the timer for 10 minutes and start. So guys, our steamed salmon is ready. You can see it looks very beautiful, and obviously when you cook it you would know it better. So please cook this recipe. Let me know how you like it. Write it down in the comments. We'll get back with another recipe. Till then, stay tuned. Like my channel and subscribe. Thank you.